Welcome to my channel. Today I will be making some fish curry with some Eddos, potato. Alright, so let me show you guys what is on the board. What is on the board here is some Eddo, potato, scallion, onion, garlic, tomato, and the curry paste with some water. And here are the fish. This is a Redsnapper, and this fish is well seasoned up, ready to fry. So first I'm going to start by frying this fish. I'm going to fry this fish, then fry the curry one side into this pot here. Let us see.
This is my daughter Cindy and my wife Kate, my son Howie, and my mother Barbara.
This is it. Okay. Try. Okay. So this is the pot that we're gonna cook the fried curry in. And then we're gonna fry the fish. So I'm gonna drain out the water, put on the fire so that the water could burn out the water from the pot. I have some oil in this cannery here. I'm gonna add some more. This is to fry the fish. Alright.
There's no safer place for you and your family. Trust me.
To fry this, to mix the curry, I'm gonna add some pepper flakes, garlic, onion, and I'm gonna stir it up to fry it. So along with some 1 tablespoon of mixed masala. Right? Stay tuned.
We'll be right in.
So we're gonna fry this for a good 5 to 10 minutes. You want to fry well. Alright? So now that it's fried up, I'm gonna add the potato and the, I already put the salt. And this is the lime. 1 whole lemon squeezing into this curry. Stir it, stir it, stir it. Check to see the potato boil. Want some more salt? Salt, not too much, because I don't like anything too salty. Let boil up a little more. Sour nice. Ooh. Some coconut milk. Thick and nice.
Extremely mad. Extremely mad, George. You don't think I'm mad? I don't think you're mad. This is getting me so mad, this whole thing. That's mad.
I'll let it boil up a little bit more. Then I'm going to add the fish into this curry.
Yes.
Some cayenne pepper. I don't want the spicy curry. Alright? I already put some pepper flakes. And let it boil up. I eventually add 1 can of the coconut milk, because I add the remaining balance of the coconut milk in this. So I'm gonna let it boil up now. Then I'm gonna add the fish. Alright? I'm gonna cover this down. So the fish, I'm gonna add it into the curry now. Ooh.
Why are you so upset? What do you mean? Why you always say I hate you? I hate you.
I didn't mean anything that I said before.
Too late now. It's all right. Get gone. Just done. So, the people count that fast me if I protect you, so I say you stay in your T18 with you.
No.
I got an EBT card. What are you worried about?
So this is it. Yeah, spicy fish curry with coconut milk, Eddo potato. All right, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and give this video a thumbs up. All right, see you in the next one, and remember to be safe. Wear a mask, wash your hands. Corona is real. All right, love you guys. Mwah. See you in the next one.